demonstrated how to utilize Google Lens to read hard copy text on your phone, but I want to show you how to utilize Google Lens on your computer. If you have a document or a picture that you need the text read out loud to you, or you have an image that you need to grab the text from and use in another application or edit it, this is how you do it. So you're going to open up Google Lens by clicking on the little camera. And then once you open it up, it's going to ask you for an image. So I'm going to upload a file. You could just drag and drop one on there. And I am going to go grab the family dinner questions that I had posted on Facebook not too long ago. And so what it's going to do is it's looking for online if there's anything like that. So you can see it's not a copy paste, it's my own original work, so it's not going to find anything out on the internet that I grabbed it from. But what I want to show you is down at the bottom is the text. And I can select all of the text, and I have the option here on this to listen again, just like it was on my phone. It just looks a little bit different.
Family dinner, bookish conversations.
You can also copy the text or translate the text. So all of the same features are available on your laptop as we're on the mobile device, but it just looks a little bit different on how to utilize those with Google Lens.